This is where it gets retarded. I don't know why that guy's waving at me. So the car just passed on the left and the chicken farm waved at me. I don't know if that was a hi, how you doing wave or the bridge is out, because I was just on the state route, which was horrible, 35 miles an hour. And then out of nowhere comes a sign saying bridge is out 8 miles, use detour. And we just made a right onto this detour. Well, it looks like it's a 4-mile detour. At least the road is paved. It's getting a little better right here. Now it's going to get worse again. I've been worried this whole route of 52 freaking miles.
In 4 miles, turn left onto Lockhart Road.
4 miles left on Lockhart. This just brings me back to the other side of the bridge, which is another couple miles. I've been worried about freaking every time I go to these towns, the oak trees and stuff are so low in the street and the wires. So now I'm on a side road. Same problem. I hate this GPS. Look at these side roads, just dirt. This is not good. I do have an empty trailer. I don't even know what town I'm in. Lockhart, South Carolina. This is BS. We're just gonna go slow. About 10 miles back, so I started this off-road type journey. Instead of this GPS is garbage. It just does the straight direction. It doesn't not do the safest route to save gas for the company. 10 miles back, when it started 20 plus miles ago, there was a Covenant semi in front of me. He was going real slow, even though it was 2 lanes. He was going real slow, and I wasn't in a rush, so I was going real slow. He made a U-turn. He went back, and I said, that's a bad sign. That's a bad sign when the Covenant truck driver makes a U-turn. He must have seen that the bridge was out. I have no... Is that the turn? There's 2 turns right here. What the fuck? Fucking A. Alright, that was correct. We're on the right road. It's actually getting... The road is brightening up. I'm tired of these detours. I'm tired of this GPS taking me 1 step away from the back alley road. This is the first time it's happened. Happened in Worcester, Massachusetts, at night, at 6 p.m. with extreme heavy traffic. That was a nightmare. This is good because the road's dead. Now we're getting back to like a state route. This is not bad. This is acceptable. However, we do have to U back around to get around the busted bridge. Or the DOT bridge that's out. They must be redoing the bridge. So far, this is good. This is nice. This has got the anxiety lowered a lot. But in 2 miles, we're making a left back up towards the road I had to turn off of. Basically, we had to detour, make a right, go a couple miles. We're going to make the left, which was that curve just before. And now we're going to make another left back up to the other side of the bridge. Hopefully this road I'm making a left up here in 1.5 miles is just like this road, and everything will be good. And then in 15 more miles, the big problem is going to be the tiny town that I'm going to pick up the load. So we have an empty trailer now. We're going to drop that off, pick up a loaded load up to Delaware. I don't know how heavy it'll be, but whatever. So far, so good here.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Lockhart Road.
Alright. Oh, I said the town's name is Lockhart. That's the name of the road. What the name of it? Bethune? big warehouse. It was sketchy roads. The GPS was wrong because there were no left turns. It was like those, I don't know how to explain it. Instead of making a left turn, you use the off-ramp like a main highway, but it was roads like this. They had designed loops with overpasses.
In half a mile, turn left onto Lockhart Road.
With wretched old bridges. Alright, so that's the left up there. I just saw a car go by at like 60 miles an hour. That's a very good sign. Man, this just hate it. I even researched this route before I took it. Not the detour part. The rest of that route, and I was like, alright, it's doable. It's like paved roads, but at any moment,
In quarter of a mile, turn left onto Lockhart Road.
things can change. Bridges out. Always worried about low-hanging tree branches, wires, low bridges, and if the road turned to dirt, that would be it. It would be a no-go. There's no dirt driving. Not in this truck. Its tires.
Turn left onto Lockhart Road.
Its tires just spin. Now, there is a choice here. I could continue straight on this and take the long way, or go left. Straight road looks worse than this left turn, so we're gonna make a left. Got a car to my left who says he's turning. Let's see if he turns. He is turning. There's no cars coming. Here we go.
In 3 miles, turn right onto Bethune Road.
Yep, he had to slow down. This freaking 53-foot trailer just takes its time crossing the road. 16 seconds. That's supposed. They told us 16 seconds time before pulling out. It's impossible. 16 seconds down the road on a 40 mile an hour is just whatever. This is 55 mile an hour. Would have been where this tractor trailer was, 1,000 feet back. That's a very good sign that there's a track that mega dump truck was coming down. That means this road is definitely drivable. This bridge is in excellent shape. They must be redoing that other bridge. That's why it's closed. They even got the rumble strips on the side of this, which is an even better sign. Just gonna record this till we get to the other turn up here. Maybe when we get into town where I gotta go pick up my load at the. I don't even know what the load is. Clothes? I don't even know. I have no idea what they're making back here in the middle of nowhere. This is only, what time is it? 3 o'clock? It's for another 3, 4, 5 hours. 4 hours. Park it up on I-95 when I start heading
In
up
1
to
mile,
Delaware.
turn right onto Bethune Road.
If I even make it that far, see what happens. Alright, so that wasn't to cut through. I don't know where that road, I wonder where that road on the left goes. This is nice. This is doable. This is doable. This is what I started on when I took the direct route. This is fine. It has a very wide right side of grass, sand. This
In
is
half
good.
a mile, turn right onto Bethune Road.
Nice 1 foot over the white line for errors. Well, we'll see what happens when I make this right up here. If the road is the same as it was before. It should be the same as this road.
In quarter of a mile, turn right onto Bethune Road.
I hate this electronic supervisor. It does me no good. Junction 341. Alright.
Turn right onto Bethune Road.
Yeah, this is a big right turn here. Well, there shouldn't be anyone coming from the left because the road's shut down. There is a truck coming. Still would have made the turn. Would have maybe went on the edge a little bit, but it's all right. It's an empty trailer. It was flat. Sometimes you'll have a 20-foot ditch right off the right side. That would be very bad. All right, we'll be back because that was freaking ridiculous. All right, here we go. GPS telling me we're 1.7 miles from the final destination. So we're entering the town. Let's see what happens. Let's see where this place is.
In half a mile, turn left onto Spring Street East.
Spring Street. It's always a bad sign when it's named Spring Street. Couldn't be like Houston Expressway, something bypass. No, straight up Spring Street. 35 miles an hour. We're entering this town. This is wide open. Man, it's like they made this for a 6-lane highway. You must be getting a lot of trucks through here. This is a good sign. It says I make a left on Spring Street, right? Probably where that truck is.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Spring Street East.
I think it is. I think it is. Nope, that's just a Spring Street. What is going on? It says this next left is Spring Street. What the all right. Great.
Turn left onto Spring Street East.
Oh, what the F? It's straight, and I have roof clearance. Rear tires are clearing the turn. What in the... It says go straight down this and it'll take me to this mega warehouse. This is who puts a giant warehouse back here? So my GPS map is showing me straight shot through whatever this neighborhood is. Look at this wire, it's pretty low. 13 foot 6 inches. And through whatever these back streets are is gonna take me to... Oh, that's a dead end, isn't it? Oh, this is bad. There's a sign up there at the dead end. You son of a... Oh, hit that branch. Alright, we're gonna stop right here. We're gonna stop right here. So where that truck came out to the... Look, what the f... It had to have been that other road where that guy... This is all messed up. Just gonna park here. There's nobody around. Try and find an alternate. It says straight ahead goes to the place. So that is the place straight ahead. I can see the water tower and stuff. But it looks like there's trash. Son of a... Alright. Straight and then a right. This GPS has screwed me over once again. If I can't make that right up there, I can back up. I think that sign's there for a reason. Come on. I gotta take a piss too, of course. Trailer brakes won't release. It's gonna be a tight turn. It's nice and flat though. There's a telephone pole on the right. Road closed. Road closed through traffic. Detour right. Wow. Wow. 6 inches just made it. Somebody else already clipped those pine trees.
Continue southeast.
So you make a
In
left
300 feet, turn left onto East Chestnut Street.
fucking joke. We make a left here. Yeah, I can tell trucks have made this left because the ditch on the left is full of water.
Turn left onto East Chestnut Street.
See, I should have came around this way. This friggin' GPS. Keep this as wide as I can. Which is right here. Take out some tree branches right there. Wow, we even cleared the mud puddle that everyone else made. The 500 other trucks that have made this mistake. Same mistake I've made. That's why that hole's there. And here we are at the mysterious place in the woods. The mega... How does the place even get back here? We're hiring A.H. Elstrom, Suo Minem Noemens, Bethune Noemens, non-wovens. All trucks use the right lane, stop at the gate. Employees and visitors use the center lane. All right.
Turn right.
Hang in there, people. It's crazy. They're like, what company are you here to see? I don't know. Just picking up a box. It says Beth Wovens. So they said go up to the brick thing on the right up there. Put my nose up to there, get out and go across to the left and talk to somebody in there, and then come back out and talk to the girl that we just passed in this security shack. Why can't it just be Dock 2? She said something about Dock 2. FedEx drop off on the left. Please be patient until we can load or unload you. That's where I gotta go in. So this is it. I'll do my brake check right now. Just connected to the trailer going up to Dover. Do you hear this noise in the background? Listen. It's the most disturbing place I've ever been to. I asked the lady, she's like, oh, it's a sound system. Sound system for what? Scare the birds away. This place is in the middle of the woods. Why can't you have birds around? You know what we're bringing up to Maryland or Dover? Was it Delaware? Cloth or fabric, cotton, synthetic fiber, natural fiber, cotton woven, silk, knitted and stitched, paper rolls. 8,000 kilograms. I gotta put the seal on the trailer anyway, so we'll see what's back there. So if anybody's curious, this is the metal seal You put in the back of the trailer. I'll show you now. Yo, we just finished pre-trip and all that good stuff. Gave the paperwork to the guard. Let's get the hell out of here. It's the most messed up place I've ever been to. That docking was medium. They did have enough room to swing back in. Speed bumps. Give the guard a wave. And off we go. Never make enough turning room for trucks these days. See if the back end makes it through the gate here. And then we're pulling over because I have no idea where we're going after this. This is what takes up all the day's time. That noise was just scrambling my brain, that dying bird sound over and over and over. Oh, no parking any time. Alright, so I'm just going to pull up here next to the abandoned house over here. We're just going around the same entrance we came in. This is heavy. So on the back we have, look at that shit tracking off the road already. See in the back we have, man, this is ridiculous. This is fucking, get the hell out of here. Just gonna pull up a little further. Because that sign back there said no parking whatsoever. Now I gotta play the game of find out where I am, where I'm going. I'm covered in sweat and dirt. They made me sweep out the back of the trailer, even though there were splinters this big back there. That's all that was back there, was that and dust, like toxic dust. So I was supposed to leave here 2 hours ago. Informational task. Mark complete. Now it already pre-planned me to go to a gas diesel stop, which no way we're making it there. But I'll put we went there just to get it off the map because it messes up the GPS. Every 15 minutes the GPS will go from my destination to the diesel gas station. So we're going to Procter & Gamble plant, Dover, Delaware. We gotta go through Washington, D.C. It's now 4:30, whatever, Central Time, Eastern Time, I don't know. Just aggravated, you know? None of this time to do all that is incorporated anywhere in my plan. So this is saying it's a 10-hour and 4-minute drive, 547 miles. I'm going to mostly get it back to I-95. Head up past Raleigh, Richmond, cut right at Washington, D.C. east over some bridge, unknown bridge. No time to look and see what that is. But I want to see how I'm getting out of this town before another disaster strikes. Am I going straight to the highway, or is it going to take me some stupid disaster through the woods again? Yep. Longest way, instead of going like this and right to the highway, highway's here. Instead of going this way and right down the highway, it's got me going to meet the highway way down here, 50 miles. Not doing that. Not doing that today. Not fucking. What we are gonna do, let's go back to the main street, make a left on Main Street, and go straight down to what appears to be Route 15, which is a quarter mile from I-20. I-20 will take me east into Florence, and that is where I hit. That is where I hit I-95. Just double check that. Yes. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to stop who knows where, because it's 4:30 now, so only got an hour, so hopefully there's somewhere on I-95. Which I'm supposed to technically be doing all this right now, even though it says I'm driving. So if I go to the trip planner, you guys don't need to see it, so see it at the truck stop or see you next video.